Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to change your name on Tinder. First, open the Tinder app. And then make sure you're logged in into your Tinder account. Now, once you're logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this. You have to first go to your profile, which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. And after that, you will be able to see your name over here. So let's say you want to change your name. You simply tap on the pencil icon right over here. No matter how much you search, you won't find the option where you can change your name. And same for the settings options as well. So if you go to settings option there, even if you scroll down all the way down and you see each and every one of these options, you won't find the options where you can change your name on Tinder. So let me be clear, you simply won't be able to change your name on Tinder. Now, even if you get a Tinder Gold, Tinder Plus, or etc., you still won't be able to change your name on Tinder. The only way on how you can change your name on Tinder is by simply deleting this account and then creating a new account by using your same phone number or your Facebook or your Google and then changing your name when creating that account. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe.